Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking Easy with Easy. And today I will show you how to make Bun Rieu. Okay guys, so what I have here is dry shrimp, lime, rock sugar, crab paste. Okay, this is what you need for Bun Rieu, okay, to make the Rieu, okay. Pork neck and pork backbone, bean sprouts, eggs, mum root, mum thumb. I got some perilla leaves, and I got some this perilla leaves, and I got some fish mint. Tomato, ting, tofu, shrimp, bung. Use this pan. I'm gonna be using this pan right here. Okay, vermicelli, alright guys? Alright, that's it guys. Okay, so from the package of dried shrimp, take out like 10 pieces, and this is gonna be for the broth after, and the rest we're gonna grind up in the grinder, okay? Okay guys, so when you grind up, you want it to be this texture, okay? This coarseness, okay? Don't get it too fine. This is what you want, alright? So, what I got here is my pork neck bones and my pork backbones. I'm gonna do the clean first boil first. Bring up to a boil, dump it out, rinse the bones, okay? And then restart it again with cold water, alright guys? Okay, now guys, we're washing the bones. After the pot came up to a boil, we wash the pot and we wash the bones, okay? And then we're gonna restart our stock with cold water. Okay guys, I got one peeled onion here into the pan, okay guys? Now I'm gonna put the bones in, right? I'm gonna add the dried shrimp, okay? I got one piece of rock sugar here, about that size, throwing it in. Add in about half a tablespoon of salt. Guys, with the tomatoes, we're just gonna quarter them, alright? And today we're gonna be using 1 can of tomatoes as well. This part is totally optional. If you don't want to use the canned tomatoes, you could just use extra regular tomatoes, okay? Alright, so about 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, okay? Into the pot. Remember guys to skim the impurities every time you see it, okay? Okay guys, now we're gonna start the Rieu, okay? We're gonna start with some crab paste. This crab paste guys, this is the brand I'm using, and when you're trying to find a crab paste, make sure you find the one that has a lot of oil on top, okay? Alright, the oil on top is from annatto seeds, alright? Okay, now we're gonna pour the crab paste oil into the pan, okay? Okay, the onions going in. Okay, guy? Okay. Okay, guys, now we're gonna add some minced garlic, about 2 tablespoons, and 2 tablespoons of shallots. Guys, it's been about 45 seconds. Now we're gonna add in the tomatoes. Guys, now we turn off the heat, okay? You don't want to cook it. You just want to slightly just give it a nice sear, okay? Now, add it to the pot, guys. Oh yeah, and then you just ladle some of that broth to your frying pan and just get excess oil in there, okay? You want all that coloring in there. So now what we're going to do is we took a teaspoon of Bun Rieu from this jar and we dilute it with a little bit of water, okay? Mix it up, okay? Because it's really potent, okay? Alright, just mix it up, dilute it. Just about, okay? Not all the way, okay? Because there's a little bit of dirt back in the bowl there. See all that dirt? That's good enough, okay? Ooh, a little bit of color in there already. Alright, guys. Guys, now I'm going to add a little bit of fried onions into the pot, okay? Guys, so we have the shrimp. I have about 2 cups of shrimp here that we took, defrosted, and we just chop it up into small chunks, okay? This is going to be part of our new mixture, okay? And it's the dried shrimp, alright? And then we're going to add 5 eggs to it. 5 eggs into the mixing bowl with the crab paste. First goes in shrimp, dried shrimp. Okay, about a whole jar of the crab paste, okay? Whole jar of crab paste. Okay, guys, and I also added half a minced onion, okay? Thick mince, okay? Okay, now get your hands in there and mix it all up, alright? Alright, that's it, guys. A little bit of fresh cracked black pepper in there, okay, guys? There you go. Alright, so we're gonna add another egg, alright? I found it, there wasn't enough elasticity to it. So, one more egg in there, okay, guys? Juicy! Alright, you know, guys, all these years, you guys been opening cans wrong, man. The proper way is to do it like this way. Okay? Yeah, guys? This is the proper way to do it. You don't know, now you know. Right? See? That's the proper way to open a can. Alright. Now we're gonna add that whole can of plump tomatoes into the broth. Plum, 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 plum. Oh, see? Nice color. So this is the Rieu batter, okay? If you take a spoon, you scoop it up, and you see if it's too loose, if it's too runny, add another egg, alright? Add another egg into your batter, alright? Okay, now we got our pot. It's boiling rapidly. You want the pot to be rapidly boiling when you do this part, okay? This is very crucial, okay, guys? Now we're gonna ladle in the Rieu, okay? Alright. Ladle it in on top of that, okay? It's gonna float up to be one big chunk after. Ooh, that looks juicy, man. Alright, man. Okay, after that, let's let it boil, and then we're gonna add the fried tofu. Okay, guys, now we add the fried tofu, okay? Bring it up to a boil, and you know what? You're pretty much done. Alright, and then, okay, next step is we're gonna go plate it, alright? Look at that color. Look at that beautiful color, guys. And look at the Rieu. Okay? It comes out in big chunks like that, alright? Yeah, man. See that? Damn, yo. Alright, guys. Just get to plating. We have the veggies nicely plucked, okay? I don't have any morning glory, aka Ramon. So we're just gonna use with this and a little bit of bean sprouts. We got some vermicelli that's been soaked in water for about an hour. Now we're gonna take it out and we're gonna boil it in the water, okay? Alright, so the noodle's going in. Alright, we'll drop it. We'll check back on it when it's cooked, alright? Nice, this is the end product right here. Look at that. We got some pork neck bone, tofu, dachshund, pork backbone, some Rieu, tomatoes, some herbs. with some shrimp paste, all right? Look at that. Oh man, that looks good, yo. Juicy. Shit's juicy.